Okay, we're going to have some fun. Welcome to my garage. So I've been talking about this for a little bit. I want to use a Milwaukee lithium-ion battery to power my airsoft gun. The field we've been playing at, MK Airsoft, told me it would destroy my gun. I don't know why at this point. So with my voltmeter, this is giving me exactly 12 volts. My LiPo battery that I've been running gave me 12.6. So I'm going to check some things. Let's see. I've got my voltmeter here. I'm going to look at the milliamp draw available. Let's see. This is a 600 milliamp Lancer Tactical 11.1 volt LiPo battery. I am getting... where'd it go? .14 milliamp draw. Let's see. This is a Echo 1 1100 milliamp 11.1 LiPo, also 11.1, also giving me 0.14 milliamp draw. Now, what I've done is I got this guy. It's an M12 adapter with just 2 leads off of it, and I put a Dean's connector on it. And we're going to look. My milliamp draw available is 0.14. My voltage where'd it go? One backwards. My voltage so I put it on the right voltage setting, getting 12.2 volts. So it's only a little bit higher, just a little bit, or a little bit lower actually. It's a little bit lower than the LiPos. So LiPo batteries are putting out more than 11.1, maybe. And I know I haven't charged that Lancer since the last time that we played, like 3 weeks ago. Oh, because that's not the one I used. It's still in the gun. Oops. So here goes nothing as I plug this into the gun. And actually, we're going hot. MOSFET turned on. I think we might be good to go. Okay. Loaded a magazine. The replica is now loaded. I have the battery here. I need to find a way to support it still, but we're just going to kind of hug it here for now. Going off of safe. Sounds good. Oh, that one came back at me. Battery's not getting warm. I'll switch to full auto here. Change my target. Meant to save. Full auto. That's pretty sick. We'll see how it does come next game day.